All right, let's get into it. Most people might not admit this, but I will. I'm not saying AI, it's making me lazy, but it's definitely exposing how soft I've gotten. So listen to this. Yesterday, I opened up a contract, 5 pages, not 50. Not a legal brief, not some S1, 5 pages. The kind of thing that any functioning adult should be able to knock out probably between meetings. However, before I even scroll, Adobe jumps in with the confidence of a guy who's never read a contract in his life and says something to the tune of, "This appears to be a long document. You want me to summarize it?" Long, Mr. Adobe. It was 5 pages. One of them was a cover sheet with a logo on it. But sure, yeah, go ahead. Hit me with the cliff notes. Apparently, I'm incapable of reading more than 2 paragraphs without the support of some sort of animal. And once the AI gets involved, the whole thing started to go downhill. So I start interrogating it like I'm running some sort of deposition. Okay, explain this line. You know the drill. Explain it simpler. Who's screwing who here? Suddenly I've got Adobe and ChatGPT and probably 3 other background agents arguing over some identification or something while I'm sitting there like a toddler refusing to even play it all. And so here's the point. 10 minutes probably went by. I've probably spent more time messing with AI, re-asking questions, double checking phrasing, making it rewrite its rewrite than it would have taken just to read the damn contract myself. So this is what people sometimes aren't kidding. It's not that AI is making us dumber. It's showing us how quickly we'll outsource anything that feels mildly annoying. This is supposed to be part of my job, right? Reviewing contracts and understanding terms, knowing what I'm signing. Yet here I am outsourcing 4 pages of basic adulting to a robot because my brain saw a block of text and said, not today. We used to mock people who couldn't read instructions on a microwave. Now, half of us are delegating our attention span to tools that were around 2 years ago. But I think there's some tension there, right? Look, we all say AI is going to make us 10x more productive, but nobody wants to admit what it's really doing is exposing how much we avoid, how much we procrastinate, how much we pretend is high leverage when it's actually just a few minutes of reading. So yeah, maybe it's not laziness, maybe it's something worse, but maybe AI is forcing us to confront the truth that we weren't as sharp, disciplined, or as focused as we thought we were. Because if I can't get through a 5-page contract without some sort of digital or emotional support, what else am I outsourcing without noticing? Am I alone here? Or is everybody else secretly negotiating with their own attention span too?